Good morning, dear professor and fellow peers. My name is HAO, and today I will be presenting my analytics lab project titled Analysis of Factors Influencing Consumer Behavior in Online Retail Commerce. This research focuses on decoding the data behind what actually drives the amount of consumer spends online. Slide 2. Abstract and Overview. To begin, let me provide a high-level overview of this study. The online retail landscape is competitive, and understanding the drivers of spending is crucial. My research utilized a secondary dataset from HAO containing 898 valid consumer samples. I employed SPSS for statistical analysis, specifically Pearson correlations and multiply linear regressions alongside Power BI for visualization. The core finding was quite interesting. While social media influence significantly increased purchase amounts, brand loyalty actually showed a negative correlation with individual transaction values. Surprisingly, the discount factor was not a significant predictor of the amount spent. Slide 3. Problem statement. Why did I choose this topic? The problem lies in the underutilization of data. Despite the massive value of the data generated by e-commerce, many retailers fail to conduct systematic, independent analysis. They often rely on intuition rather than empirical evidence. This gap limits their ability to capture diverse consumer preferences and optimize their marketing strategies. My study aims to bridge this gap by quantifying these behavioral factors. Slide 4. Research objectives. The primary objective of this research is to empirically analyze their specific dimensions. First, discount factors. Do promotion actually drive higher spending? Second, social media. How does digital influence translate to currency? Third, brand loyalty. Does loving a brand mean spending more per visit? And finally, demographics. Do age, gender, or income play a deciding role? Slide 5. Methodology. To test this, I constructed a multi-linear regression model. The dependent variable is purchase amount, the total expenditure of a consumer. Our independent variables include the discount factor, social media influence, and brand loyalty. I also controlled for age, gender, and income level to ensure the result was skewed by purchase power or demographics. The equation you see on the screen represents this relationship. Slide 6. Data exploration. Let's look at the data itself. After cleaning, we had a robust sample size of 898 consumers. The brand purchase amount approximately 275 units, with a standard deviation of 131, indicating a healthy variance in spending habits. The age range covered 18 to 50 years, with the majority concentrated in the young to the middle-aged demographic, the most active segment in e-commerce. Data exploration fails. Visualization revealed a fascinating pattern regarding discounts. We observed an inverted U-shaped relationship. Consumers with moderate sensitivity to discounts tend to spend the most. However, those with extreme sensitivity to discounts actually spend less, likely because they are waiting for rock bottom price or have tighter budget controls. This suggests a non-linear relationship that simple linear model might miss. Slide 8. Key findings. Social media. Moving our regression results, let's talk about social media. The analysis showed a significant positive correlations, specifically for every unit increase in social media influence, the average purchase amount increased by approximately 8.68 units. This confirms that social preferences are not just for engagement, they are direct drivers of transactional value, likely through social proof and product discovery. Slide 9. Key findings brand loyalty. Now, here is the counterintuitive findings regarding brand loyalty. The data showed a significant negative. In fact, higher brand loyalty was associated with slightly lower purchase among pair transaction. We interpret this as the stability with intensity. In fact, loyalty customers likely shop more frequently but with smaller, more planned baskets. They aren't begging shopping. They are buying what they need. When they need it, resulting in lower individual transaction sums compared to impulsive one-time buyers. Slide 10. Regression results. Here is the detailed statistical output. The overview model was significant with a p-value of 0.043. As you can see in the coefficient table, social media and brand loyalty are the only statistically significant predictors with p-value under 0.05. Interestingly, difficulty factor, age, gender, and income level did not show statistical significance in determining the purchase amount in this specific model. Slide 11. Reflections and conclusions. Based on these findings, I propose those strategic recommendations for online retailers. First, invest in social commerce. Second, rethink loyalty programs. Third, strategic discounting. Slide 12. Question and answer. This brings me to the end of my presentation. I firmly believe that data-driven insights like this are the key to sustainable growth in the digital economy. I would like to thank to my supervisor for her guidance. I am now happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much.